Question number 3. The depth of water Y meter at the entrance of a tidal harbor T hours after midday is given by the formula Y equal to 4 plus 3t minus t squared, where 0 less or equal to t less or equal to 4. So first question, copy and complete this table and use it to draw a graph of Y against t. So this time t is given in hours after 12:00, that means midday. So when t equal to 0, we can find y. The equation is y equal to 4 plus 3t minus t squared. So using calculator we'll get here 4. Then for 1.5 we'll get 6.25. For 2 it will be 6, and for 4 it will be 0. So the coordinates are 0, 4, 1, 6, 1.5, 6.25, 2, 6, 3, 4, and 4, 0. So we have to plot these points on this graph paper. So this graph is about depth versus time. This is depth and time in hours. Now the first point is 0.4, second point 1.6, third point 1.5 and 6.25. Note that all these small divisions are 0.2 centimeter. Fourth point is 2.6. Fifth point 3.4. Then sixth point is 4.0. Now we have to join these points. We have to draw a smooth line. First we can draw a dotted line. So it will be like this. Over this we'll draw a dark line. Then it will be like this. Now question B. Use your graph to find the depth of water at the harbor entrance at midday. You can see at midday, midday means time is 0. T is 0, and at that time the depth is 4 meter. So when T equal to 0, Y will be 4 meter. We have to write the equation also. The equation is y equal to 4 plus 3t minus t square. Now question C. At what time is the harbor entrance dry? Harbor entrance dry means there the depth of water will be 0. So for the depth of water 0, at that time it is 4 hours. The time is 4 hours after midday. So when y equal to 0, t equal to 4 hours. Therefore, time will be 12:00 plus 4 hours. That is 16 hours or 4 p.m. Anyone, if you can write 16 hours or 4 p.m. Now question number D. What is the maximum depth of water at the entrance and at what time does this occur? So we have to find the maximum depth. Maximum depth is here, is the maximum point, and we have to find the time also. So to get the maximum point, we have to, from this point we have to draw a line parallel to x-axis and another line parallel to y-axis. Then we will get the maximum depth. Now look, this point 1.5 and 6.25, this is exactly matching at the maximum depth. So maximum depth will be 6.25 meter, and at that time t equal to 1.5 hours. For maximum depth, y equal to 6.25 meter, t equal to 1.5 hours. So time will be 12:00 plus 1.5 hours. One hour, 1.5 hour, we can convert in 1 hour plus 0.5 into 60 to convert in minutes. So it will be 1300 plus 30 minutes or 13:30. We can write in PM also. It will be 1:30 PM. Then question number E. A large ferry requires at least 5 meters of water if it is to be able to enter a harbor. Between what times of the day can it safely enter the harbor? And we have to give the answers to the nearest minute. Since the minimum depth is 5 meters, so we have to draw a line parallel to x-axis from this point 0.5, and we have to draw up to this point. Then this region within this part, it will be safe for the ferry to enter, and from this we can find the range of time. So we are drawing a line parallel to x-axis from point 0.5. So this line is intersecting at 2 points, this point and this point. From this point we have to draw a line parallel to y-axis so that we can get initial time, and from this point we have to draw another line parallel to y-axis so that we will get the final time. So at this point T will be 0.38 hours. This is accurate, almost accurate, but you can write 0.4 also, it's not a problem. Actually from the graph we can see it is 0.4, but accurate value is 0.38. And for the next point, the time duration is 2.62. Actually here we can see 2.2, 2.4, 2.6. 2.62 is accurate answer, but if we write 2.6, it's okay. So for at least 5 meter means y greater or equal to 5. So this is the region for y greater or equal to 5. We have got time 0.38 hours less or equal to t less or equal to 2.62 hours. Now we have to convert these hours in nearest minute also. The fractional part we have to convert in minutes, nearest minute. So 0.38 hours equal to 0.38 into 60 minutes. So it will be nearest 23 minutes. And 2.62 hours. So it will be 2 hour and nearest 37 minutes. So the time will be 12:00 plus 23 minutes, that is 12:23 in 24-hour format, or we can write 12:23 p.m. Another time is 12:00 plus 2 hour 37 minutes. It will be 14:37 in 24-hour format. If you show in 12-hour format, it will be 2:37 p.m. So the required time will be between 12:23 p.m. and 2:37 p.m. In this time, the ferry can enter safely. So the answer is between 12:23 p.m. to and to 2:37 p.m. This is the answer.